Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to make a quick video about how to stream on your Amazon Fire TV stick, Fire Cube, Fire 4K TV stick, how to stream the Adesanya versus Romero UFC fight. Amazon's been making this really simple, and all you're going to do, they have a banner down here below here. So we're going to go ahead and just click down, and we're going to see it right over here, and it's actually going to be sponsored here. So let's go ahead and click on that. If you do not see that, what you're going to have to do is, let me back it up for you guys. You probably will see that banner, but for some reason, if you don't, you're going to have to download the app, which is free. It's going to be the ESPN app, and that's where you're going to find ESPN Plus. That's where the free stops, and ESPN Plus requires you a $4.99 per month fee to stream the UFC fights. Now, what's good about that is that after the UFC's over for pay-per-view, you're still going to be able to watch. For instance, last weekend, I was able to see the UFC fights for $4.99 per month, cancel anytime. So all you're going to do is you're going to come up here to apps right here, search for ESPN, which is going to look like this right here, or tap your speech function button and ESPN app, and it's going to load right here. Again, ESPN is ESPN Plus, so download that. Now, once you do have ESPN downloaded, then go ahead and go into ESPN. They should make it very easy for you to sign up for ESPN Plus, again, for $4.99 per month. You're going to enter in your Amazon information, your password. It's going to confirm it. It'll download. It'll get you started. It'll charge the credit card, whatever credit card you have on file with Amazon. Once you have taken care of all that and you are in ESPN, go ahead and work your way over to ESPN Plus, which is right up here, and go ahead and drop down. And what we're going to see here is right here. Adesanya versus Romero fight right here. So here we have the main card, the pre-show, and embedded right here. So when you're ready, go ahead and click on that. And when you're ready, go ahead and buy UFC 248. It's going to cost you, for ESPN Plus subscribers, $64.99 plus the $4.99, so you're out the door $70, and you are up and running, ready to watch this at home using your Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV, Fire TV Cube, Fire TV 4K stick. Once you hit Buy UFC, it's going to do the same thing as ESPN. It's going to lead you through the information. You're going to type in your Amazon password. You're going to confirm it. Credit card on file will be charged, and then your friends can pitch in for it, or you can host it if you're really generous. So that is the legal way to watch UFC 248 from the comforts of your home if you don't have a cable provider and if you just have an Amazon stick. So please hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you be able to watch UFC 248 with your Amazon stick, and subscribe to the channel because we got a lot more goodies in the books. Take care, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.